Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your plan and your phone must support 5G bands. Once confirmed, update the phone OS and reboot to clear temporary glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds then off. This forces a new network attach. Then open settings, make sure 5G is selected in network mode or voice and data, and enable data roaming if you're near a border. These first steps often restore service quickly and identify if the issue is device or network side. If the simple fixes fail, you move to deeper actions. You should manually select the carrier in network operators to force re-registration. This can pull you onto a different cell tower. If that fails, reset network settings, note it clears Wi-Fi passwords, then remove and reinsert the physical SIM or re-provision the eSIM profile from your carrier app. Simultaneously, check carrier outage or maintenance reports and compare your location to known 5G cell density. Sometimes moving to finish, escalate to carrier support with your IMEI, account info, and the steps you already tried. Ask for remote provisioning, PRL or carrier profile refresh, and a network side reattach. If they recommend it, request a replacement SIM or eSIM reissue and schedule a test while on call. If 5G still won't return quickly, make sure you have working 4G plus Wi-Fi calling or a temporary hotspot to maintain connectivity. If things go wrong, a fresh SIM often fixes persistent provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.